Good morning, salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian K dark medium thin crest, 18 inch, and as you can tell right here, where's it at? We got a little flea bite crack right there, right there at the edge of the cymbal. So we're gonna repair that out. No biggie. It's not gonna be much of a sound difference, but let's give a little sound test anyways. Alright, let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K dark medium thin crest, 18 inch. And as you can tell, we repaired that crack area. It's now as smooth as butter. So, let's give a little sound test. Sounds pretty good to me.